A taste of history, the story of Kung Pao chicken. Kung Pao chicken, a fiery favorite in Chinese cuisine, boasts a rich history that spans centuries. The dish originates from the Sichuan province in southwestern China, a region renowned for its bold and spicy flavors. Legend links the dish to Ding Baozhen, a Qing dynasty official who was known for his culinary preferences. He served as governor of Sichuan and held the title Gongbao, which translates to palace guardian, giving the dish its name. Ding Baozhen, known for his simple taste, enjoyed chicken with peanuts, a combination that would become iconic. He preferred his food spicy, reflecting Sichuan's love for chili peppers and the region's culinary traditions. Over time, the dish evolved, incorporating Sichuan peppercorns and other regional ingredients, enhancing its unique flavor profile. The dish's evolution continued as it spread throughout China, adapting to local tastes and ingredients. Each region added its own twist, making Kung Pao chicken a testament to culinary adaptation and regional diversity. Today, the dish represents the dynamism of Chinese cuisine, blending history, culture, and flavor in every bite, enjoyed by people around the world. Kung Pao chicken exemplifies the bold flavors of Sichuan cuisine. This iconic dish is a perfect representation of the region's culinary artistry, combining a variety of ingredients to create a harmonious yet complex taste experience. Sichuan food is renowned for its use of chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns, which are essential in crafting its distinctive taste. These ingredients come together to create a unique mala flavor profile, a signature of Sichuan cuisine. Ma refers to the numbing sensation from the peppercorns, which adds an intriguing layer to the dish, while La describes the spiciness of the chilies, providing a fiery heat that is both intense and satisfying. This dish embodies this balance, offering a fiery kick tempered by the fragrant peppercorns, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. The combination of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors further enhances the complexity of the dish, making it a true culinary masterpiece. Kung Pao chicken is more than just a dish. It represents a regional culinary identity, deeply rooted in the traditions and culture of Sichuan. It showcases the Sichuan people's love for bold tastes and the artful use of spices, reflecting their passion for food. Furthermore, the dish's presence on tables across China speaks to its cultural significance and widespread appeal, making it a beloved staple in Chinese cuisine. Before embarking on your Kung Pao chicken adventure, gather the essential ingredients. For the chicken, diced boneless, skinless chicken thighs provide the best flavor and texture. Next, the marinade, a blend of soy sauce, Shaoxing rice wine, and cornstarch, tenderizes the chicken. Sichuan peppercorns, dried chilies, garlic, and ginger form the aromatic base of the sauce. The sauce also includes soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, and chicken stock, creating a balanced flavor profile. Finally, peanuts and spring onions add crunch and freshness to the dish. These ingredients, readily available at Asian supermarkets, are your tools for recreating this classic dish. With these components in hand, you're ready to start your culinary journey. Section 4. A dance of flavor cooking Kung Pao chicken. Cooking Kung Pao chicken is a culinary dance, each step contributing to the final masterpiece. The preparation begins with gathering fresh ingredients, ensuring each component is ready for the cooking process. First, marinate the chicken, allowing it to absorb the flavors of the marinade. This step is crucial as it infuses the meat with a rich, savory taste. While the chicken rests, prepare the sauce by combining the soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, and chicken stock. This mixture will form the backbone of the dish's unique flavor profile. Next, heat your wok until it's smoking hot, then add oil. The high heat is essential for achieving the perfect stir-fry texture. Stir-fry the Sichuan peppercorns and dried chilies until fragrant, followed by the garlic and ginger. These aromatics will elevate the dish with their intense flavors. Add the chicken and cook until lightly browned. This step ensures the chicken is cooked through while retaining its juiciness. Pour in the sauce and let it thicken. The sauce will coat the chicken, adding a glossy finish and deep flavor. Finally, toss in the peanuts and spring onions, ensuring they're heated through. These final touches add crunch and freshness to the dish. Serve your Kung Pao chicken immediately with steamed rice for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy the harmony of flavors and textures in every bite. Section 5. From humble kitchens to global tables. Kung Pao chicken's journey from the kitchens of Sichuan to global tables is a testament to its enduring appeal. The dish's unique blend of flavors and textures has captivated palates worldwide, From casual eateries to fine dining restaurants, Kung Pao chicken features prominently on menus across the globe. Its versatility allows for adaptation, with variations incorporating different vegetables, proteins, and spice levels. The dish's popularity highlights the global appreciation for Chinese cuisine and its diverse regional flavors. Kung Pao chicken's continued success lies in its ability to transcend cultural boundaries, offering a delicious and accessible taste of Sichuan's culinary heritage to the world.